Hello guys, we have here a Opel Zafira B from 2005 above. The car don't have light on dashboards. We have changed a lot, new battery. We have cleaned all the cables. That's not the problem. I will tell you what the problem is. The problem is in this steering. Look, now it's working because I've changed it. We did the old one. This is the old one. We put it back. It's not working. No dash lights. No dash lights, nothing. You need also to check if your richtingaanwijzer is working. Nothing. We changed this one. New one. Second hand, not new. Nobody knows this problem. Also, Opel, vauxhall, don't know. We do a new one. And it's working. Maybe it's helping you guys because I have nothing find it about the internet about it. If you see no dash lights, the keys do nothing, you need to change this thing. Thank you. Bye.